Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to change Telegram profile color. First you need to open your Telegram application. This is our account. Let's click on the profile icon at the bottom. This is our profile. Let's click on three dots of the profile. Here they said change profile color. Then here we can choose any color from these ones. We can choose one of them. Let's choose this one. Then you need to click on the word apply style. As you can see, the color is locked. It is premium. You need to pay premium for you to start using the colors. Guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.